I'm Jack Skivens and I'm an illustrator and I live in Pontypridd. Pontypridd is surrounded by loads of nice forest walks. It's got like a really strong community and everyone seems to work together, and conceptually I could kind of think about Pontypridd as somewhere that I find to be inspiring, and my initial thought was to sort of think about the shape of the place and the mountains and the places where I sort of interact with on a daily basis, and the myths and legends that have been sort of handed down and I've heard of over the years. I'm really inspired by Wales and my surroundings, and I've always thought it was like a really magic place, and just to have those stories I think is really fun, especially growing up here as a kid. Those pencil lines of sketches would come from engaging with town and kind of going for walks and thinking about the area as well and thinking about stories, and from there then it's kind of on to watercolours, so to add another element to the image and a bit more connection to the image, I got some water from the Taff that I could use in my watercolours to paint the picture, which I think there might be the odd little bit of sand or dirt in some bits of it, so Pontypridd is kind of really in the illustration. I wanted the picture to look really interesting and colourful and different, but also look like the area, but nothing's quite in the right place. Everything's kind of shifted around. I've tried to keep a general shape of Pontypridd so it looks familiar, but I'd say it's kind of like a kaleidoscopic view of Pontypridd, and I kind of want the image to do that, so you could see it on multiple times and see something new and allow the picture to transform over time.